What's the meaning of concealer? Concealer. Concealer.
Concealer. Concealer. Concealer is a cosmetic product used to hide blemishes, dark circles, and other imperfections on the skin. It's typically applied to the face using a brush or sponge, and blends in with the surrounding skin tone to create a more even complexion. Concealer can come in various forms, such as liquid, cream, or stick, and is available in a range of shades to match different skin tones. The result of using concealer is a smoother, more flawless-looking complexion that appears natural and seamless.